Hey there, smoothie lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of smoothie bowls. These delicious and nutritious bowls are perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast, a refreshing snack, or a post-workout treat. So, let's get started. First up, we have the classic smoothie bowl. This bowl is packed with fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients, making it a great way to start your day. You can customize it to your liking, adding your favorite fruits, such as bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. And don't forget the green leafy veggies for an extra boost of nutrients. Next, we have the chocolate smoothie bowl. This bowl is perfect for those with a sweet tooth. It's made with cocoa powder, bananas, and almond milk, giving it a rich and creamy texture. Top it off with some fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds for an extra crunch. Now, let's talk about the tropical smoothie bowl. This bowl is a tropical paradise in a bowl. It's made with pineapple, banana, and coconut milk, giving it a refreshing and light taste. Top it off with some fresh pineapple, coconut flakes, or toasted coconut for an extra tropical twist. Moving on to the berry smoothie bowl. This bowl is a berry lover's dream. It's made with a mix of berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and topped off with some fresh berries, nuts, or seeds. Last but not least, we have the green smoothie bowl. This bowl is perfect for those who want to incorporate more greens into their diet. It's made with spinach, banana, and almond milk, giving it a creamy and healthy taste. Top it off with some fresh spinach, nuts, or seeds for an extra boost of nutrients. So there you have it, folks. These smoothie bowls are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. They're perfect for any time of day, and you can customize them to your liking. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food tips. Until next time, happy eating!